Juicing is one of the easier ways to introduce healthy foods into your lifestyle, and NutriBullet has just made it even easier. This is the quietly powerful NutriBullet Slow Juicer, designed to thoroughly separate the pulp from the juice of even the toughest fruits and vegetables. This sleek and compact juicer uses a high-torque, low-speed motor along with an ultra-strong steel-tipped auger to crush and filter the pulp through a stainless steel mesh, leaving you great-tasting, nutrient-rich juice and even fresh nut milks. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer's extra-wide chute easily adjusts to accommodate for large, whole fruit juicing. Just add your favorite produce and let the NutriBullet Slow Juicer do the rest. And it's as easy to clean as it is to use. You'll love all the great-tasting, nutrient-rich juice you can create. Easy juicing, serious nutrition. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer.
Masticating slow juicer that can provide the ultimate nourishment your body's been waiting for. Achieve your well-being with Kuvings Masticating Slow Juicer. Innovative juicing screw that squeezes juice from all types of ingredients, maintaining all the nutrients and maximizing your juice yield. Another favorite feature of the Kuvings Masticating Slow Juicer: 8 different nozzles for food processing versatility. The juicer goes beyond juicing to make shaved ice, grind meat, and extrude delicious pasta. With frozen fresh fruit, try making 100% fruit sorbet that everyone will love. Kuvings Masticating Slow Juicer will brighten your morning with the freshest juice.